What is up, guys? It is me, Bob's Corner. Today we are in these fields to do a nature video. So first, my first subscriber, what do we have?
A tree.
Yes, so this is a tree, for you all that don't know. And these nettles,
Stinging nettles.
be careful to, yes, good job, first subscriber. Be careful not to touch them, because you'll bleed. And what else?
Elderberry bush.
Perfect, an elderberry bush. And we have luxurious grass. And we have flowers. Beautiful flowers. We might be able to see a bee in action. Can you go?
Oh, where your football went in.
Yes. And you cut yourself on the brambles, didn't you? And the sticks are still there when we tried to rescue it. And we have a basketball. Can you show the viewers? Put it down. A beautiful basketball. You might want to catch that before it falls. And should we see if we can get the horses in? Where are they? What is in there then? First subscriber, what is in there then?
That is a pony paddock.
Oh, fair enough.
Field.
What else is there? I know. Is there any sticks?
A big one just there.
Oh yeah, we have sticks. First subscriber, where did you get these sticks? Where did you find it? Fair enough.
There you have your Jubilee celebration, this area.
Yep. And this is where there was a fire here, and if you step on it, your foot will burn. Just kidding. And then we have beautiful daisies. There. What else do we have? Oh, we have little twigs. I really want to see a bee in action. First subscriber, let me know if you see a bee in action. And here we have a live bee in action.
A honey bee and a bumblebee.
There you have it, guys. Two live bees in action. First subscriber, what was actually back there?
Pardon?
What was actually back there?
A load of briars.
What are briars?
Blackberry plants.
Oh, and brambles.
Very sharp.
Alright, what else is there? We have first subscriber. What is this? First subscriber. What is this? First subscriber. Here he comes. What is this?
Elderberry flowers.
Yeah.
And they will turn into elderberries in the autumn.
I can still smell it with this mask on, and it smells horrible. Where are the other fire pits where the fires happened? There was one back here, wasn't there?
Yeah. One just there behind you, one just there, and one over there.
Yeah, when we first got here, the fire was like up there. This is where I was sat, like this. Why is there brooks here?
Take the roots off the trees.
Oh. There's literally like, what is this? Okay, but what is it? This, where my foot is.
It's a brick, a piece of tile.
Oh,
It's a broken tile.
let's step on it. Will it hurt my foot if I kick it? Right, what else is there?
Somebody's back gate.
Yeah, that's very wild. Is there a... We have the tallest tree. First subscriber. How old is this big tree?
40 years old.
Oh God.
Come on, let's show you where the beehives are.
Okay. If you guys want more nature videos, let us know. Where are they? We like to spy into the allotment.
Where are the beehives? Look, there's lots of beehives.
I
1, 2, 3, 4 beehives.
I don't know if you viewers can see that. Right, what do we have? What are these?
Molehills.
Okay, and we have a wild can lid. Look at this.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. I didn't.
Well, that's what we're not.
Right, I need to do the outro. So guys, if you enjoyed this nature review and want more, subscribe. Peace.